Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and I wanted to show you guys the new designer series paper. You can't always see it when you're looking in the catalog, so I wanted to go ahead and show you. And let me go ahead. Now this is a returning favorite. Of course, the designer series paper is always double-sided there, so you get two different patterns on each sheet, and some of these were 12 by 12, and then I cut them down for the share into 6 by 6s. So these guys again is returning from last year, so I won't waste too much time on that one. But oh my goodness, I think this one is in the running for my favorite. And this one has a beautiful like holographic foil on it on one side, and then the other side has printed paper. So you see those little trees and stars. You can't really see that kind of detail in the book. And then you look at that holograph. Like, you can't really see that in a book either, right? This one is so cute. It just reminds me of like my childhood type of Christmas. Beautiful. Look at those trees. The holograph. Look at. So pretty. And I love doing these shares. That way you could see and get a piece of each. So if you're not making a whole bunch of cards, or maybe you find, oh, I really can make all my cards with this. Now you know you want to buy that full packet, right? So I'm going to bring these guys over. I'm going to real quick show you. I'll just put this down a little bit. If you wanted to order, you could do so at jeanpiersanti.stampinup.net, the August host code. And let's continue. This has some silver foiling going on there. See those trees glistening there, and then the back side. These are all like silvers, blacks, grays, and whites there. Oh, look at, now I'm telling you, I saved a lot of this to go over with you. So even though I put out the packets, mailed them and everything, I didn't take a quick look. I just kind of separated. And this is the first time I'm looking at some of these. This one is like, what are these called? Knotty trees, like a knot in them. And then here's a nice tree. Like, this might be another one that I might need to get the full packet. Oh, look at that. This one, oh, it's got some glimmer to it. This might have DIY on it and not just for this might, yeah, this might have home decor written on it. That is just beautiful. And then this one, you can't really see it if you're looking at it flat, but once you start playing with it, those stars come out. And we've got that. Did we look at the other side? We did, but this side was just too pretty, so I didn't even pay attention. All right, let's go on to the next one, which this is another really cute one. This one just screams traditional Christmas. So we've got these pine trees and berries. Those could be like little jingle balls, right? Or jingle bells. Some pine cones. And like, this could be used. It doesn't have to even be used for Christmas. The pine cones don't need to. Even this doesn't need to, but it does have that Christmas feel. And then this one, I think I had this wrapping, like a roll of wrapping paper that looked almost identical to that. So we had multiple rolls and we just used it for years and years. I remember it was Hallmark had that This one is I don't remember the names of them. I should have had them here with me, but this one is really cute. This is more of a autumn or fall. Perfect for mixed media. And that one's a cute one too. These would make really nice little like necklaces, jewelry, that type of stuff. And then there's this one. This one's super cute. It's got those animals in it, and there's punches and stuff that go along with it. Is it punches or is it dies? I don't recall. There's some stockings there. Oh, that's cute. There we go. Aw, these little guys are adorable. And then we've got, there's the little mouse there popping in. Just so cute. We got this one here. This one's more of the Halloween. Got some little spooky houses there. Some bats and ghosts and skeletons. There's some skeletons. They are not scary at all. They're so cute. Again, we've got some pictures on one side and some patterns on the other, except that one. Of course, as soon as I said it, it was all pattern. But here's some little bats. This one, it's cute. It is cute. It's kind of not for me. It does not remind me of Halloween at all. But maybe pieces of it. But that side definitely is very Halloween. This one I've used multiple times. This is one of my favorite. We've got some Halloween there. Now this one does scream Halloween to me because of course candy corn, hello. But it doesn't have yellow. You might have to take a yellow marker and color that in. I'm all about the yellow. And then these guys, super cute. You may have seen me do a video with him on one of my swaps. And then this one is the gingerbread. Oh, it's so cute. Adorable. Look at this. More. And there are dies for these, I believe. I mean, this is just screams Christmas baking. Look at that, little candies. Some Christmas tree cookies. Great patterns. And some more little cookies. That's just a gingerbread cookie right there. Beautiful. And then there's this one. This one is not one you can buy. It is from the celebration. So when you spend $50, you can get this one for free. And this was a little gift that I gave to all my people who ordered the paper share. So they got a free little sample of this as well. And it's got those adorable little penguins. Again, I just love the patterns like this. More penguins, fox, polar bears, and snowmen. And then some more. I mean, that would be good even for like a baby card, right? Got some more little guys. And he's just so cute. Some more patterns. Oh, bless you, Stanley. I think there's a punch for that. Uh-oh. You might be getting a little bit allergies there. And then we've got this one. All right, if you saw my unboxing, then you saw that I have this. And I haven't cut it down yet, but I will. So let's go ahead and open it. And this is the last of the designer series paper. And these will be going out this week. I did send the other one because I didn't want to make you all wait, those who had ordered from me. But look at this. This has some gold foil. And there is 2 pieces to each packet. Look at that. Beautiful. There's this one. It's wanting to fold. Look at that. Again, that gold foil. And then there's this. I don't know. It looks like little sticks there. So pretty, these owls. And then the back side is patterned. Oh yeah, this is definitely like Halloween fall, right? Really pretty. Look at those nice oak leaves there. Oh yeah, you don't get more fall than that. And then this one has some birds. Love that. And some little stems, some leaf stems there. Ooh, look at that. These ones kind of remind me of some wallpaper from some of those fancy hotels or just back in the day, right? These wallpapers. So very nice. All right, well that is everything. Tell me in the comments below what your favorite piece was. It could be the whole set or it could be just one piece. Probably mine would have to come from one of these. I just love it. And it may even be this one. Hold on, let me look just to make sure, because I know it's one of these. And I think it is that one. There was one with a few. I know. Nope, that's not it. That's not it. Nope, that's not it. This one is. So it's a toss-up for me between those two. I love these. So it's probably that I love these and this is in there, but then I can't stray away from a good, nice ornament either. So that's my favorite. Again, let me know what your favorite is. I mean, these guys are super cute as well. So, all right, today I'm working on getting those packets out of this set that I got. And those will be heading out in the mail to you for those of you who ordered in that paper share. All right, beauties, have a wonderful day. I will talk to you later, and that's it. Bye.